Welcome back to another YouTube video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Liverpool have 8 more days, 8 more days to sign at least 4 more players. The transfer window will be closing in 8 days. So, guys, we need serious work. We need to act fast. We need to be serious about the signings. We, as a Liverpool supporter watching the match yesterday, you could see we lacked in the midfield. We lack a natural number 6. Yes, we want to sign 2 wingers, Bradley Barcola, Mbai, or even Minter of Brighton. But for me, the main position would be the number 6 position. Liverpool will need to buy a natural, general, a tackler, somebody that can do the dirty work, clean up in the middle, make those forward passes. So who is on the market? Sangara went to Brentford. There's not many available number 6s at the moment. Adam Wharton would be a perfect fit for us, I do believe. But can we get him? I'm not sure. I do see us signing at least 2 wingers, but the main position would be a number 6. We need to act fast, guys. I'm worried. Yesterday showed Gravenberch and Soboslai, both of them, when we have the ball, both of them were attacking. That goal came through Gravenberch, yes, turning, pushing and driving forward. But when he made that silly pass, Newcastle counter-attacked us and they scored both goals. Van Dijk is jockeying. He's not tackling or being more aggressive, guys. I do think our left back, our right back as well, we need another right back. For me, Frimpong, he was okay, but guys, we seriously need a right back as well. I'm concerned it's going to be a long season ahead of us if we don't sign those 4 players at least. The midfield for me is the most important. Yes, I'll be happy if we get wingers. Like, would you guys prefer us to sell Gakpo and get Barcola? Or do we keep Gakpo and get Barcola in as well? I do think we need a natural left-footed player to play on the right. Is it possible that we do get Minte, even though he's going to be out until mid-October or the end of October? For me, he is a more suitable, or I would prefer him as a left-footed player. But eight more days, guys. We need to act fast immediately. I'm scrolling, constantly looking for updates on David Ornstein, Fabrizio's page, but there's nothing. Liverpool, they sleeping. Richard Hughes, Michael Edwards, what's happening? We were always we used to get the job done when it came to signing guys. So at the moment, I am concerned. But if we do get at least a holding midfielder, 2 attackers, and another defender, right back maybe, the season can change and it will be much better for us. So yeah, let's hope and pray that we turn things around in the next couple of days. But we better act fast. So yeah, guys, that's just My opinion, over the next couple of days, let's hope that Liverpool actually does it and get it over the line with these signings. Yeah, the mystery midfielder. If we do get the number 6, who would it be? Who would you guys like to see Liverpool get? Leave it in the comment section. And yeah, let us know, guys. So that's just my 2 cents on what Liverpool should be focusing on the next couple of days where transfers are concerned. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please, as I said, subscribe, like, and share. And we out.